also, it's September 16th, and the weather is changing pretty damn quick here in Colorado, so, like, this weekend is like the last weekend I got that's really nice weather. Welcome back to the channel today, everybody, and today we are going to be clear coating the race car, which is the final part of this. So all I got left to do is blow the car off, blow the garage out, tack rag it real quick, and start spraying. I'm not sure exactly how much of the clear coat I'm going to shoot, because you guys are only really going to see like the first coat kind of like shimmer, and then after that, well, you won't really see the shimmer until a final result when it actually kind of like adheres and kind of dries a little bit. Yeah, it's not perfect, like I've said through this whole process. I did go back and do some touch up where the paint lifted up some of the blue from doing the flames, so I went back and cleaned that all up. So I hope it turns out good, guys. It's been a little while since I've shot some clear coat, so we're gonna just kind of go with the flow, you know? So here we go. Oh, also, it's September 16th, and the weather is changing pretty damn quick here in Colorado, so like this weekend is like the last weekend I got that's really nice weather. Other than that, I don't know when it'll be nice again, so it's already probably like 70, 65 outside right now, so we gotta get after it. Alright guys, here we go on the first coat. Gonna be kind of a light coat. Test real quick. I'll touch from our hood here. Okay folks, this is the final result. This is actually 3 coats of clear coat. As you can hear, the wind's picking up around here, but I think it turned out pretty good. Nice and shiny, man. Let's get it up here close. Kind of see a little bit of orange peel, but that's gonna happen. I mean, I had the gun set it up pretty nice, but a little bit of orange peel happens. But damn, nice and shiny. Yeah, almost like glass, almost. But 3 coats. The first coat, as you've seen, was a mist coat, and then the second coat just did a medium coat there, and then the third coat was a real heavy coat. So definitely got on it really heavy there. Let's see if we can see any better in the back here. So if you guys have any questions or anything, comment down below. I think it turned out pretty darn good. I am actually going to do a video probably tomorrow after I unmask it and everything, and kind of do a video on like overall expenses and such on this project. So far, at least. But pretty shiny, guys. Let me know what you think. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great day.